Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First, you will need a piece of paper, obviously, because it's called a paper airplane. And then you're gonna have the paper face like this. And then you're gonna fold it in half. Try to make it as straight as possible, because this will create the crease. Now it should be like this. After you do that, you're going to open it. And that is how it made the crease. So that was only the first step. Now you need to take it, and then you take the corners and you fold it into the crease. Try to make them as even as possible, so then they can stick together, kind of. So something like this. And once you have that, you're basically gonna have a house. After you made your house, you're gonna crease it all down and make sure it stays there. And then you're gonna fold it in like this. And so. And then it's a cheese, kind of. It's a watermelon. And then you should have a watermelon. But you want the point facing away from you. So after you have it facing away from you, you're gonna do this. Now you have a cheese. And then after it looks like that, that shouldn't take too long to do that step. So now you have that. And now you just take it and then you flip it on any side. You start from the top on one side and you bring it down to the bottom. And then you do the same with the other side. And then you have your paper airplane. Whee! So once you have your paper airplane, I'm going to show you how to fly it now. Now we are going to fly our paper airplane. We're gonna step back just a little bit with one foot back, and then we're gonna take our arm and we're gonna put it behind us. And then wherever you wanna aim, you aim it wherever you want. So I'll aim to you guys. So I'm gonna throw it now, and I'm aiming where I want it to be with my hand. And now I'm gonna throw it. And there. Now, it went under the bed. So we're gonna take that paper airplane out. That is how you fly and make a paper airplane.